I work from 6 o'clock and I finish at 2 o'clock. And it is raining outside. When I left the workplace, was raining. Until now, it is raining. And I am here at the shopping center. You know, I am going to, inside the shopping center. I'm going to buy a water because this is the only water that I have. Yeah, this water is actually, I'm getting it from the gym. Before, I drink water in my apartment before. Yeah, I was drinking water from the faucet, from the tap. Yeah. And then, because now I don't have, actually getting water just anywhere around here. Yeah, because there are kind of shower, you know. Yeah, around the bay. Yeah, there are that tap water, shower water. So that is where I am getting a water usually. And I think those water are drinkable. Yeah. But yeah, this day I drink water from with the sparkling water usually. And this the water coming from the gym. Yeah. So every day I spend I spend 1 bottle of water, or maximum 2 water a day, and that costs $1.25. Oh, I am wearing this very nice green winter jacket. This is actually coming from Stanley and Sarah Jane. Very nice. I like it. It's a little big, but I like it. And most of the Australian actually wearing something like this. That's why I like it. Yeah, that is how it looks. It looks good actually. Yeah, I like it. Oh, I almost forgot. Yeah, I realized that I need to go to my storage to do something. Yeah, so I'm going there now. I am going to the grocery later. Yeah, because I want to be walking relaxed in the grocery. Yeah, I don't want to be rushing. And I need to go to my storage because there is a timing limit on my storage. Okay, we are back here at the shopping center. Yeah. So I was about 1 hour. I stay in the storage, and I charge my battery power station. And we are back here in the grocery, now in the shopping center. So this what I got. This $3.50. Yeah, onion rings, sour, and this. Yeah, just now it's just $5.67. Yeah, chicken schnitzel. Regular price is regular price is $9.95, and it is going to expire soon, so it's discounted. And water. I'm getting water. Yeah, sparkling water. I like sparkling water. Just this. I again made a mistake to use the flyby instead of the Woolworths rewards cards. And if that happened, actually, you need to call the assistance. Yeah, so I disturbed the guy. Actually, this morning was not raining when I get to work. And then while I was working, I see outside that it was very dark. And then when I finished my duty, it was raining until now. It is already 7:30. Yo, good day everyone. Yeah, I'm going to have my meal. Yeah, today I work from 6 o'clock and I finish at 2 o'clock. It's still raining. Yeah, last night was raining, yesterday until now, but not much, just a kind of sprinkle. Yeah, so this is what I bought yesterday. This chicken schnitzel with mashed potato. Yeah, microwavable food. And yeah, I just put some rice. If the rice is cold, I will microwave it more. I still have the food that I cooked a few days ago, but yeah, of course I don't want to eat the same meal every day. But that meal that I cook will is kind of a five serve. What's that? Yeah, 5 serve. And you know, when it is raining, yeah, shopping center is the best place to stay. When it is not raining, yeah, somewhere around, maybe by the beach or at the sports center or in the park. Yeah, but when it is raining, yeah, shopping center is the best place to stay. You know, the good thing here is, yeah, there's no parking limit. There's no time limit to park here in the shopping center. Yeah, because you know, in the other shopping center, there is a time limit. This schnitzel, chicken schnitzel. When I was working in, I forgot the name. What's that? Bavarian Beer Cafe. I work in Bavarian Beer Cafe in Sydney. Yeah, and every day I was doing chicken schnitzel and beef. Yeah, chicken and beef. So every day, yeah, the chicken breast, I cut it and then I mash it, wash it until it become flat. And then egg, flour, egg, crumbs. Yeah, and we are frying it in the hot plate, big hot plate. Yeah, we put a lot of oil and we fry it there. I'm not sure if that Bavarian Beer Cafe is still there. And you maybe notice I have this. Yeah, this is the Brisbane Broncos. Yeah, this is coming from Ronald and Karen. They gave it to me. Also, scarf. Yeah, it is nice. But you know, to be honest, yeah, I'm actually a little yeah, worried, or what's the word? Yeah, when wearing this. Yeah, because sometimes it triggers to, yeah, for someone to hates me, you know. Especially those fans of other yeah, team, other putty team, rugby team. Yeah, yeah, but I am just wearing this because this was given to me. But actually, one time I was at the grocery. There is one guy. He said to me, "Yeah, nice hat." I just smiled. Yeah, this is good, but you know the quality is really nice. I don't know how much is this, but yeah, it's good, really good. Yeah, look at this. Yeah, nice. Brisbane Broncos. So basically a horse. And you know, one of the thing that I don't like during winter, yeah, is you know, the jacket. Because you know, as much as possible I want to change my clothes every day, my outfit change every day as much as possible. Yeah, but yeah, just like this one, I was wearing this yesterday, so it's not dirty. I just wear it for a couple of hours because at work 8 hours I was working and I was wearing uniform. If I wear this again, the people at the shopping mall, they will see me that I am wearing, oh, I saw that guy yesterday wearing the same, yes, the same thing. Yeah, so that's why this one, another one. But this actually not good. So in here it's cold, in the body is just nice. The good thing about this, it has a hood like this, a hoodie. Yeah, so it looks like it's really cold. And actually when I am sleeping, where is that? Yeah, when I am sleeping, I'm actually wearing, yeah, I'm wearing one of these thermal punch, and then also I'm wearing a thermal shirt, and then this, yeah, something like this, and then I am under the comforter. That is how I sleep, and yeah, very comfortable inside. But like in the night when I need to pee, I get out and it is cold, and then when I'm back to the bed inside the comforter, yeah, I need to wait for like 5 minutes or yeah, something like that, to be back to warm again, good again. Yeah, but yeah, it's I mean, I can adapt with the temperature here. Not a big deal. I have a comfortable sleep wearing yeah, thick clothes and inside the comforter. I will be just here inside. I'll be editing video. But yeah, I'm going outside later inside the shopping mall to yeah, to walk around a little bit.